So I've had the pleasure of working with OSL now for some 10 years, and certainly have been working very closely on a whole range of meetings. And what I really like about working with the team is they understand us as a client, they understand our needs, they understand our budget. And in every meeting that they've organised for us, there has always been that strong creative thought process that goes behind our meetings, and certainly every event that myself and my sales team have been part of, the feedback has been absolutely tremendous. We really do have a great time, and I have to say a great deal of thanks to the OSL and the team for the collaboration.
My name is Luke Parker, and I am operations manager is my proper title, but I do all the finances and I also do the Prosecco. What makes Sparkford special is it's got a unique, I guess it's that close proximity to Glastonbury. It's also the people that run it. You know, we do everything with love at this venue. We really like to bond and connect with all of the customers that are coming here, so that by the time they leave, you know, they're part of the family, and that's what Sparkford is all about. Working with the guys from OurSecretLab these last few days has been amazing. Again, you guys seem to know and get what we do here at Sparkford. Everybody has been amazing. You seem to share the same sort of ethic in terms of the amount of work that you put into the thoughts behind, you know, every little detail. The food's been amazing. Yeah, everything's been really organised. So yeah, it's been absolutely wonderful having you guys here, and I really hope that we see you again here in the future.
Hi, I'm Bishop, Director of Operations at OurSecretLab. Well, this has been a great event for us. Normally we're used to organising big kick-off events and sales conferences in conference centres or hotels for thousands. This year it was a smaller budget. The client came to us and just said, look, this is the reality of this year. So it really made us think outside the box, right from the artistic workup to the communications, to the logistics, the booking, we did everything. And I think the attention to detail we managed to bring to every single element and the amount of ownership they gave us and trusted us to have, I think it really showed through to a great event.